Hello, I have here a Carl Zeiss centering microscope with a Morse taper 2. I'm going to show the condition. It is in a very beautiful condition. There's an internal lighting system, which I also can show. There it is. So it comes with a transformer and a normal 230 volts connector. It's also possible to use it without. The object distance here is specified on 45 millimeters. Yeah, high quality. There's an there are crosshairs in here. Let's see if I can show that. That doesn't show up. So I will put a picture in the advertisement with the crosshairs, so you can see that. And this is the edge finder. So there's that's difficult to show, but there's a line here which corresponds to this line, so you can find the edge through the microscope. When I do a maximum zoom here, you see the line. It's like a hair. Yeah, let's zoom out. Yeah, so this is the trafo. And thank you for watching.